Okay.
As an investor, when shopping for insurance or when looking for a property, you really want to know what an insurance company likes and don't like. Number one, galvanized plumbing. They hate galvanized plumbing, and you have limited markets of companies that will actually take a house with galvanized pipes. You'll pay more money on insurance, and the risk is higher of having a water leak, and it's just not something the insurance companies like. Liability hazards. Do you have holes in your deck? Do you have missing fascia or siding? Was there a previous fire? Was there a previous water damage? If there's a previous water damage, you need to know about it, because when you have tenants in place, they could be inhaling mold that wasn't properly dried out. Therefore, you run the risk of a major liability lawsuit from your tenants. Hence, your liability coverage will be exposed. So, three things they look for are roof damages. Are there missing shingles? Is there missing fascia boards? Is there missing siding? Things like that. If you do have those things, they can deny coverage. Do you have galvanized pipes? A big no-no in the insurance industry. Wiring is huge. Do you have copper wiring, or do you have aluminum wiring? Aluminum wiring is rated much higher than copper. The exposure of fires are greater, so you're going to pay more money, and also there are limited companies that will actually pick up aluminum wiring, therefore making it harder for you to find coverage.